Is this live?
Nah.
And it's live.
Welcome
It's
to
John
League
Boy.
1 today. We're watching Charlton Athletic versus Plymouth Rock Gleaning.
Charlton Athletic, isn't that the club that ISO Speed plays for?
Yes.
Yeah. That's the club that also Mini Mentor plays and
Mini men.
Jet Spins and
Jenspen.
Pierre Gasly and
Wait, what happens if I win the car even though I've already won the car?
you have more.
You win the car.
How the hell do you have a strategy of winning the game?
See, if I win it again, you gotta go into it with absolutely no hopes. Spin it at maximum pace, you know, you gotta look at yourself, touch yourself, and get some clothing. I've stressed I've accidentally made Charlotte Claire's Ferrari.
What?
Oh.
Wow.
It's actually Monacanese, look.
It actually is.
Whoa! I did, don't worry. I got it.
Spit chocolate all over my screen.
Why are you driving towards us?
I'm driving towards you. Yeah, you're driving against the law.
I'm coming for you.
No.
He's got one of the fastest land speed vehicles
In the world.
I can see him, but he doesn't see me.
You cannot jump it, fuck. For fuck, it's okay.
The wheels, the wheels are perfectly come off. Go for the police on me though, so we'll have to evade.
It's fine.
Oh, it's in the industry. Is Astro... Nate. Maniac! Is Astro still trying to clean his screen?
Yeah, he's just still trying to clean his screen from his 10-month corpse.
Right. Coconut oil.
Jacob!
No, I'm sorry. I'm reading the comments on the fucking Grand Prix clothing group wall.
Well, this game's good. I just teleported 0.4 mile. Why isn't my car always crashed?
You're right.
No,
This is my free garage. These two I won from the casino.
Oh yeah, I got this. I got this one.
This is the one you also won. I made it green. It actually looks kind of good. It's completely stock because I will never drive it, so why would I spend money on it? But I made it look nice.
It looks good. I like it.
Yeah, and if you want to take inspiration, it'll pay me.
Fuck you.
You.
Oh, well, unless you want this one.
Which one? Oh yeah.
Look at that beauty.
How much does this cost?
You can buy it.
$610,000.
Look at the engine on that thing.
Oh well, one of my Banshees are destroyed anyway, so that's good.
You didn't actually buy it, did you?
No, why would I buy it?
Because you're weird.
No. I have my own car here. I have this car.
Oh, yeah. Again, the pink one, no?
Oh yeah. Nice Red Bull.
This is
LC.
you want
I had to clean my bloody screen because I was eating. I'm still eating the Cadbury, and Antonio flew over and I spit it out.
Hillary Clinton. I actually painted these walls myself.
Whoa.
That's Moenke up there.
Whoa.
Get it because it's a monkey.
Oh, and I really need to get GTA 5 on
Yeah,
computer. I only have it on PlayStation 3.
You can basically play with us.
3. I don't even have a PlayStation 4. I still have a PlayStation 3.
Well, I mean, I can't speak because I have it on Xbox 360 only and the PC obviously now.
Yeah.
Me when my Nissan.
Paddy, I forgot I can't actually. Dogs don't have hands.
When you try your best, but your knee's not intact.
Grow some hands!
That's not what my Bible said.
I still can't believe Jay didn't know how Amish is spelled without a H.
The other side.
Wow, thank you.
Oh my god. Oh. Copyright TM.
Not recording.
Awesome
Nah.
Asian song.
Yeah, but it's I'm gonna have Gigi Ping coming to my house.
He did it!
Who did it? Jay saying he did it like I actually don't know what the fuck he's on about.
Well, you should know.
He's not fast at all, is it?
Yeah, this is literally so much slower than the shot for the bunkers.
No, you scared me.
Yeah.
My mummy messaged me. No.
What did she say?
No, you busted
Obviously ended her message with an X.
Ecuadorian muscle tov.
Ecuadorian.
Ecuadorian, congratulations.
What's going on?
Mazel tov! We're all gonna be saying that at Tonio's wedding, by the way.
They just
Tonio
shout, everyone just shouts Mazel Tov at Antonio's Ansel's wedding. Just fucking, you see 3 bottles fly towards them.
No, there's gonna be 3 blue energy drinks.
3 Red Bull cans all thrown by Jay.
No! Red Bulls are not allowed to
No,
do
there'll be 2 blues and 1 Red Bull can. The Red Bull can will be
Blues
brought by Jay. Jay's like, I refuse to throw this shit. He just throws a Red Bull can.
It's just a Ribena bottle.
Yeah. No, that'd be Blade. Blade doesn't know what an energy drink is. He throws a Ribena bottle.
You throw a fucking Fanta.
No, Blade can't have anything that's carbonated.
Good.
Whoa, I dribble.
I don't
Ah,
drink
you look like a
carbonated things by choice.
Let's go.
Alright.
Sounds
What car
awful.
did he get?
You got like a
No,
Fiat
no,
500.
no, I did.
It's the worst car I've ever seen, and I don't know why I bought it. But it's fun to push around.
Briozo.
Brioche.
Yeah, the Grotty Brioche.
Absolutely
bottle.
duped me out.
But the question is it expensive?
Well, I didn't buy, I
600
bought Jay's
grand.
car for 610k.
What? Telling you, it actually is 610k. What?
Box. It was the shittiest thing, but it's fun to
Yeah.
customize.
No, I just want the shittiest. We should just get the worst car possible, just to push around and fuck
Well,
about.
it's pretty much
I kind
this
of car that if it gets broken, you don't care about.
But we should have like a Fiat squad.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
I'm coming. Where are you? Oh, there you are. You're all the way on the
No.
fucking highway.
Yeah, so
Wait up.
you.
Slow up, lads. Slow up.
He's driving like 3 miles an hour.
Yeah, but it's still too fucking fast. Oh, you're at the airport. Wait. Where? Oh, your face is like a Dorian, I swear to God. I can't drive up the stairs, but I can drive up this road that's right next to it. There it is.
Made it.
Right.
I wanna hop in the car again so it would be regenerated. As you know. Easy to fix.
What the fuck is this song?
Fuck!
No tires, no tires. Back, Tonio.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
He turned into a mumble rapper. Just give him a second. I don't know.
Cause... What? What?
What?
Okay. Park up, park up, park up, park here. Park here. Okay, first things first, we have to do pre-flight check. As co-pilot, you have to walk around the plane.
I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a big problem. It's like, get out this nuage with that plane though. Kinda...
That's the one I just
It's
flew, so don't worry about it.
And it's live.
The maneuverability of the AC-130 is something that even shocks me. Okay, so this is gonna be a short flight. Hey, yay, yay, close the window, you yob. My titties are cold.
Give it up.
Give up. We are in the sky. No, we can do.
We won the flight and then we won it. There's a reason why there was a backup plane there. I'm bringing a car.
Hey, you not nice, you know, very smelly.
Listen, check the...
You better apologize. That was my insurance. I
Nah, the engine failed. It was not...
You're right.
It was just a
And
bad
shoot you in the
plane.
leg, you know, the leg can
Nah.
very dangerous leg, you know.
No, it's getting
I can get you in the
I'm
leg.
gone.
I'm getting shot at too, police officer.
fuck?
Direct.
Why am I dying?
Ow!
Let me in. Ay, señorito.
E cosa boccia na marcas que do falar.
Okay, this one.
End up on History Channel.
Hey, I'm flying.
Nope.
Hey. Okay,
Run
thank
away.
you.
I will let you achieve your dream.
I'm a pilot. I'm a certified FAA technician.
I'm not one that jack off
The
that's
plane
running to the
hijack,
gate because I don't.
hands up, hijack.
I'm not one
Hands up
jack
if you want to
off.
hijack the plane.
Yeah.
Run, Jezza.
This is
I
very
remember,
emotional.
I remember going to Heathrow Airport and having to run into the thing.
Yeah, it's the British Airways pilot. All right, we gotta wait for 6-time world
What's an
champion.
annihilator?
It's not
over
even
there?
British here, it's fucking
Two annihilators.
Ryanair.
Hey, get in.
Oh.
Hey, no shooting. We have the no gun sign on.
Sorry, I'm
Okay, we're ready to
excited.
take off.
You know where my destination is, right? I'm a big time celebrity. To go to
You're-
Sandy Shores.
Oh, you're Andrew Tate.
Yes.
He owns a Bugatti. Bing bong, ladies and gentlemen, we seem to have some turbulence.
I want my fucking crisps.
There's a serve bar at the back. Get it yourself, you twat.
Why did I saw you hold the gun then? Just that moment. Aye. Stop holding the gun. No, it's not good.
Next person to shoot a gun, I'm doing a full-on fucking backflip in this. Okay, fuck you.
That's not a back. You did it wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we seem to have hit some minor turbulence. If you would mind, please fasten your seatbelts and any
It's
belongings.
PTSD because minor turbulence is a mission and it's awful. Oh
Stop it.
god, this is terrifying in first person. I can see the sun moving around.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming into an approach. If you'd please mind fastening your seatbelts and shutting up while landing, that'd be great. If you have a tendency to clap after landing, please can you
Clap my
hold your
ass.
hands shut? Okay, bombs. Check.
Wait.
Wait, whoa.
Zzzt. Okay, I'm gonna go turn around, land, and we can take you back to your destination, Mr. Tate. Where's the runway? There you go. Got a visual on the runway.
Got a visual on your mom.
I think I've got a gas issue. It's coming out of my ass like it's Lucasade.
Oh.
Okay.
I just said, where the
Hashtag
fuck
true.
did I take the Fiat for the mission? God damn.
Will it even last 5 miles? I can see a pink dot flying around. Not flying around, driving around.
Oh god. I was fast.
I wanna
as
buy a
you.
military jet. I wanna get the Hydra. Yeah.
Unless you could have seen on the minimum just your plane kind of like twitching.
I see the little.
Alright.
I see the little dot.
Little pink dot or...
Yeah. Look at this. Oz.
I'm just like 70 miles per hour. This is useless.
الله أكبر. آخذ البندق أخذ. Hold up, Tonio. Hold up.
No, I'm flipping. I'm
No.
being chased. This shit.
Tonio, hold up.
I'm coming, Estras.
I need- I
Don't worry. I'm 9 miles away.
I need to.
I'm in a fire truck.
Shay, I'm in a fire truck.
Los Santos PD, pull over. Oh, I see the plane.
Look! I thought it was someone else. The bollock. Oh, yes.
Jesus Christ. Tonio! You yob!
Donald, man.
You're through to your garage. You need me to bring you a ride?
Oh, God.
It's coming at you.
I was not expecting it.
Oh, the misery. Oh, everyone wants to be by me.
Wait, my leg! Wait,
my
leg!
How did you get me?
You don't have to worry about that car anymore.
Calling for some wheels?
Jay, he's back!
Ay, ay,
got him.
Spray with water. Wee, water slide. Car wash. Way. Got killed by water. Fuck you, wee. Oh no, yeah, he held up. He healed.
How the
Got
fuck?
him. Yes. Oh my god, that's
How the
brilliant.
fuck were you with the SMG killing me when I'm with an AK? This is a PS.
Because I have AIDS. Hi, are you Jeza? I'm your Uber.
Are you flipping?
Fuck you and drive.
No. Psych! Woo! Wee!
Go on, hit me. Nah, hit me, bruv. Come on.
I will
Hit
let
me.
you blood. I will
Hit
let you.
me. Yeah, you don't even know who I am.
You. I know. I don't think you know how to put. I don't think. Nope. Nope.
Yes.
I just like smash the cactuses.
All right, so funny little thing. So the Gardaí, or the Irish police, are next door. They're just checking up on neighbors. And they hear me screaming. They knock on my door and they say, "What's going on? Are you up by yourself at home?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And they said, "Okay, because we heard screaming and we thought someone was in trouble. I'm just home alone. I'm home alone."
You were being attacked by Anton.
I was being attacked by Tony.
Yeah,
Oh, you got
that
this.
was-
I don't know how
that
they.
was
You shouting Anton got killed by water.
Well, that was
And he was
that
like-
is. It
I
was
was
a
like, no, I was
strong-
just playing a video game with my friends, and they were like, "Are you winning?" I'm like, "Of course I am."
Are you not? Are you winning, son?
No money.
No money. No bitches. No toes.
Nice chopping trees. Out. Jay.
Damn it! I thought that wasn't even that.
Why did you?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What's
Oh man, to the point I literally get visited by the fucking cats. Oh, they said, is someone home? And I'm like, yeah, I'm home. Are you like by yourself? Yeah, I'm 17. I'm allowed to. I'm actually 16. So
No, you're not.
I lied my age by an entire week. It's not like they're gonna care.
How? You lied to the feds in reporting you.
That's actually not a lie. It's not a lie if they don't ask a question. If they asked me how old I was, you know,
Yeah, but you still lied. You said you were an age that you're not.
it's a week difference.
So?
I'm a bad boy. I'm living on the
Yeah, you
edge,
are.
alright? Anyway, so I say, okay, I'm allowed to stay home. Just pretend I said that, alright? And they're like, okay, no, that's fine. We aren't here to ask you about that. And they're like, are you playing video games at home? Oh no, they said, who lives here? I say the name of my parents. They're like, okay. Are you playing video games by any chance? I'm like, yes. And they're like, are you screaming and shouting at the telly? I'm like, yeah. They're like, all right. Well, no, it's just because we were next door and we heard a bunch of screaming, and we thought someone was in danger. And I'm like, oh no, it's just me. Sorry. And they were like, yeah, no,
Anton was in danger.
that's fine. That's fine. Just checking in. And I'm like, oh, I'm sorry to bother you. And they're like, no, it's fine. Scream away. God, imagine if we were doing like, sell the damn cocaine. Sell the cocaine. That would have been embarrassing. No, but we were. Anton got killed by a water cannon. Hey, they might just think I'm playing a very intense game of pressure washing simulator.